Hello there, this is Manoj. I have a background in engineering. I currently work with a bank and I am also the host of the Rare Earth podcast. Welcome to Zealous Academy's productivity module. Okay, so today I will be running you through the foundational understanding about productivity. It's very important to get some foundational understanding, but after this we will have 3 other videos where I will be running you through some of the details. The second video, the next video after this that you would see, will speak about the productivity equation. Yeah, productivity has got an equation, which is very interesting. The third will be 2 myths which really stops people from being productive. And the fourth video we shall discuss some of the tips, practical tips that you can really apply and make yourself being more productive. So let's get started. The first one is the fundamental principles or some of the basic understanding about productivity. So before I start on that, I want to inform you about something that I really noticed with a lot of people, including myself. I was suffering with this, and I suspect you too may be suffering with this. Okay, and it is more deadly than the pandemic that we are experiencing today, and it is called as IAKT. Yeah, it's called IAKT. You can go ahead and Google it. You may not find it, but I'll inform you what it is all about. IAKT stands for I already know that. Now, what is the whole point of IAKT? Well, if you're somebody who is very, very used to all the kind of information you have actually downloaded from the internet, you have heard people speak about, as soon as you hear that or anything new or something that you've already heard but never applied, then your mind goes into a mindset of I already know that, nothing new. As soon as you discount that way, then your possibility of learning something new just completely diminishes. Okay, so I invite you to pay attention to that voice. If your mind tells you I already know that there is nothing new that he's speaking about, then you're really discounting yourself from learning something new. Okay, so pay attention to that voice. That's number 1. Number 2, there is nothing new that I'm bringing on board. Whatever I'm going to speak, I have actually learned from some of the books. I have learned from people, just like out there who are sharing some of the best practices. I've worked with people who are really productive. I got a chance, being in the corporate world and in the business world, work with some of the people who are really good in actually optimizing their life. So I got a first-hand experience of, learning from them. And I have applied some of these principles that I'm sharing with you. So it's worked for me. I'm not telling that the things that I'm going to share with you is going to be like 100% foolproof for you just because you just listen from me. There are things that you really can take away. There are things that you need to tweak. So you have to work out what works for you. Okay. So we'll start with the productivity principles, some of them that will be foundational. Why I say it as foundational? Because if you were to build a house, okay, it is very, very important that you spend some time doing the foundation right. If you are in a hurry to not pay attention to the foundation of the building, you may go ahead and construct a house, you may build something fast, but it may not survive the test of time. There could be just a strong wind, there could be a storm, and the house collapses. So do you want to build a house on a loose foundation, or you want to build it on a solid foundation? Okay, so understanding the foundational principles that I'm going to share with you will be really the base for you to really make yourself more productive. Okay, so let's get started. The first one I want to speak about is the principle of focus. Okay, now what is so important when we speak about focus, and what is the role of focus in terms of productivity? If you are a very intelligent person, you are a very smart person, but you do not have focus, you lack focus, then you cannot be productive. Okay, let me tell that focus is more premium than intelligence. Okay, so if you are somebody who really can look at a task, spend your focus and energy on that, you can get things accomplished, you can get things done, which a lot of people who do not have focus. We are in an economy right now where everybody is actually paying attention to some kind of screen. Somebody is on their iPhones, on their laptops, somebody is doing some video call. While they are on the video call, they are actually looking at their mobiles. While you're watching this video, probably there's a high chance that you're looking at your mobile devices, okay, or some other screen. So we are constantly bombarded with information in all kinds of distractions. So we are disrupted with distraction. And if you can actually bring your focus to one task, then you become that rare individual who really can get your energy, get your task done. So number 1 thing is learn the art of focusing on a task. That's number 1 principle. Number 2 is energy. Energy is the currency of life. Look at anybody, if you have the best tools in hand, you may have the smartest device, but you lack the energy. If you do not have energy, you really can't get anything accomplished. It's just like your cell phone, if you really hook up your cell phone early in the morning, it is at 100% charge, right? It is at a top level charge. So when you charge it up, it has all the application which can work at optimal level. But when you actually go by the day with different tasks, there is a 60% performance, there is a 40% performance, and then there is at a 10% level. Similarly, our bodies, also work optimally when you're charged up. So we will be speaking about how really can you be more charged up, how you can be more energized. If your energy levels are low, you really can't be productive. So pay attention to that as a foundational principle. And the third one that I want to speak about is it's called being effective, not efficient. Okay, what do I mean by that? A lot of us spend time being busy. If you look at people are busy, everybody is busy doing something or the other. The most important question is, what are you busy with? What are you spending your time with? Is it important? Okay, so being effective is more important than being efficient. Okay, what you do is more important than how good you do or how much of something you do that. Okay, so keep that in mind. And fourth one is I want to introduce you to Parkinson's law. Okay, that's a very interesting law. Mr. Parkinson came. He's a British historian. What he said was, work expands to accommodate the time available. What does he mean by that? If you have a given task and it's been given a week's time, you will pretty much take an entire week to do that task. Okay, and if you have suddenly that same task needs to be completed in a day's time. Has it happened to you, like there is an assignment that you need to work on, the deadlines have suddenly changed from a week to a day? Have you completed that task in a day's time? Absolutely. What changed? Nothing changed. Your mindset, your priority, the way you approached it changed. So we are capable of producing massive productivity when we really put constraints on our timeline. So it is very important to have a specific direction and goal to what you actually approach for your day. So that's pretty much an outline for our video 1. In the next video, we'll be running through a very important module called as the productivity equation. So I'll see you on the other side. This video was brought to you by Zealous Academy. If you really liked us, check out our Facebook page and do subscribe us and do give it a like and share it with all your friends. Thank you.